Hey guys, welcome. I'm recteq Chef John, and today I'm going to be taking you through foil pouches. So I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Chef John, foil pouches really? And let me tell you, foil pouches are going to be your best friend after today. I have rosemary, I have sage, I have thyme, I have a little bit of garlic, I have a half an onion cut up, and I have some sweet potatoes. And I also have some chicken thighs. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a pouch out of aluminum foil. I have 2 pieces of aluminum foil. They're probably about, 1.5 by 1.5 foot cut pieces. You wanna make sure they're large enough that you can fold it over and cover everything in there. A little chef secret, you don't want to make the pouches too big. I would say you could probably get about 2 servings in 1 pouch. Otherwise, you're going to lose a lot of flavor out of it because it's not going to cook the way you want it to. It's going to cook a whole lot slower, and it'll be a lot chewier. So make sure portion size is key. So we're going to leave these guys. It's pretty much whole. You can see there's a little bit of fat on there. You want to make sure that any excessive fat that you take off, and we're just going to go ahead and layer it right here on top. We're going to go ahead and hit this with some of our Screaming Pig Rub. Healthy amount. Last but not least, we have some olive oil. Because there's no fat really on those thighs, and we're not using the skin, we need to add a little bit of oil to it. So I've got 2 pieces of aluminum foil just to make sure that you don't puncture anything and you don't lose any of those beautiful juices. We're just going to go over it one time. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Right over the middle, right over the middle. Making sure that there's no real air in there. It's okay if there's a little bit of air, but you want to get as much air out as you possibly can. And now we're ready to go on the grill. So it's been about 25 minutes. And man, our chicken pouches smell delicious. I wish y'all could catch some of that aroma coming off of it. We had the RT 700 set at 420 degrees, and it did perfect. Oh yeah, it's smelling delish. So one of the things you want to be careful of is pulling it off. There are a lot of juices going on in here. So we're going to take our spatula, we're going to slide it straight onto our plate. And now we're gonna unwrap it. Oh man, check out that steam. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. Holla if you hear me. Oh man, I'm gonna have to dive right into this. And that's it, you guys. This is how simple it was. This is why the aluminum pouch is your friend. The meal is totally done. I mean, you can eat straight off of this. You can go ahead and pour this straight to the plate, however you want to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and eat straight off of here. Oh man, oh man. That came out delicious, guys. Hey, I'm recteq Chef John saying quality of food is quality of life. We'll see you at the recteq.